Looking for a reliable car under $10,000 in the USA? You're not alone. Every year, millions of Americans search for affordable vehicles that can handle daily driving without draining their wallets. But with so many options, how do you know which ones truly stand the test of time? Today, we'll explore the top 5 used cars under $10,000 in 2025 and why these models are trusted by drivers across the country. 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a legend when it comes to reliability. For decades, it's been one of the best-selling cars worldwide, and in the US, it's famous for being practically bulletproof. Most used Corollas under $10,000 come from the 2012 to 2016 range. These cars typically have good fuel economy, averaging around 30 miles per gallon combined, and maintenance costs are very low. Parts are cheap, and mechanics everywhere in America know how to fix them. If you're buying used, always check for regular service records and aim for a model with under 120,000 miles. The Corolla is ideal for students, commuters, or anyone who wants a car that simply starts every morning and runs for years. 2. Honda Civic. Next up, the Honda Civic. Just like the Corolla, the Civic has earned a reputation for being reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy to live with. But it adds a little more excitement with sportier handling and design. In the used market, 2013 to 2016 Civics often fall below $10,000. These cars can easily last over 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Civic also holds resale value better than many competitors, which means you can buy with confidence, knowing it won't lose all its worth overnight. For young drivers, college students, and even families who need a second car, the Civic is a fantastic choice. 3. Mazda 3. If you want something stylish without paying luxury prices, the Mazda 3 deserves attention. Mazda is known for making cars that are fun to drive, and the Mazda 3 combines reliability with sharp looks and sporty handling. Models from 2014 to 2017 often fall into the under $10K category. These cars have attractive interiors, user-friendly infotainment systems, and good safety ratings. Compared to the Corolla or Civic, maintenance costs are slightly higher, but you get more driving enjoyment in return. For anyone who wants affordable reliability but doesn't want to drive something boring, the Mazda 3 is a solid pick. 4. Ford Fusion. Now let's talk American. The Ford Fusion is one of the best mid-sized sedans you can get for under $10,000. It offers plenty of interior space, smooth handling, and often comes with more features than Japanese rivals at the same price. Models from 2013 to 2016 are the sweet spot. Some even come with technology like backup cameras, Bluetooth, and advanced safety options. While fuel economy isn't as strong as the Corolla or Civic, the Fusion's comfort and affordability make it a great family car or commuter. And since it's American, parts are easy to find and repairs tend to be cheaper. 5. Toyota Camry. Finally, the Toyota Camry. If you want a bigger sedan with legendary reliability, the Camry is tough to beat. Known for its smooth ride and strong engines, it's been a favorite for US families for decades. In the under $10K range, you'll often find Camrys from 2012 to 2015. These models offer roomy interiors, strong safety ratings, and engines that can easily reach 250,000 miles with regular care. Yes, maintenance costs are slightly higher than the Corolla, but what you get in return is comfort and peace of mind. For families or long-distance commuters, the Camry is a fantastic investment. Final thoughts. So which of these cars is right for you? If you want maximum reliability, go for the Toyota Corolla. If you want sporty style with strong resale, the Honda Civic is a winner. If you like fun driving at an affordable price, the Mazda 3 delivers. Need an American family sedan? The Ford Fusion is your pick. And if you want space and legendary reliability, the Toyota Camry is hard to beat. Before buying any used car, always check the service history, get a pre-purchase inspection, and make sure the mileage is reasonable for the year. Finding a good used car in the US doesn't have to be stressful, And with these 5 models, you can drive with confidence without spending more than $10,000. Subscribe to Budget Car Guide for more car buying tips, reviews, and affordable picks. Your perfect ride is closer than you think.